Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Welcome to Regulation Corner. Take a seat, get comfortable. Maybe even pour yourself a drink if you fancy one. You know, recently myself and the rest of the eFIXX team attended the most wonderful gathering of electricians and manufacturers at a delightful little event called the Elex Show. And looking around the various stands with the earnest traders promoting their wares to the stout-hearted and wise-headed yo men and yo women, yo people of the electrical industry, it got me thinking about the nature of electrical supplies, both temporary and permanent, and the regularity of inspection and testing, which naturally led me to a regulation dear to the hearts of many in this noble industry. Regulation 652.1. I'll share it with you if I may. The frequency of periodic inspection and testing of an installation shall be determined having regard to the type of installation and equipment, its use and operation, the frequency and quality of maintenance and the external influences to which it may be subjected. The results and recommendations of previous certificates and condition reports shall also be taken into account. As always, when we dig below the surface of the seemingly staid and mundane prose that the authors of BS7671 turn to, we find the deeper message buried just out of sight. Is it possible that here we're finding the suggestion that just as an old and battered electrical installation has a history and a certain amount of baggage that it carries, we too are products of our own past, formed and moulded by our experiences and the times when the less skilled have attempted to modify us? It's true of all of us to some extent, but I'd like to think that the IET are also sending us a clear message of hope and affirmation, a message that just as an old and time-worn installation can be upgraded and improved with new wiring, a change of discboard and a refreshing of accessories, we too can be improved, upgraded and refreshed. It may just take a helping hand from someone with the right skills. My goodness, there I go again, reading so much into what may simply just be a technical standard written in an attempt to regulate electrical installation and provide a framework for compliance with electricity at work regs. Who's to say? I won't keep you any longer. Thanks for stopping by, and the next time you're passing, drop in, say hello. You know there's always a place for you here at Regulation Corner. Good night.